Hi friends, welcome to my show Food Bugs, and today we have come to Barkas and it's an Arabic restaurant, and you can see the entrance here, and it's a very famous restaurant here. And so we'll try today some Arabic food, some Turkish food, and we'll see what's in the menu, and what we like we'll have that. So let's come. You can see the decoration, it is very pretty over here. So
We have came at what's the time now?
it's around 8 or something, and you can see it's
So we
very
are ready for our dinner.
yes, and this you just show them how beautifully it is decorated. Like you will get a very good feeling. It's like you're coming to some wedding or somewhere like that.
We'll walk backside so we can see your beautiful face too.
Yes, so you can see it seems like we have come to some wedding or something, and it's very beautifully decorated.
Yeah.
So
Pretty pinky.
yes, it's very pinky and it's very beautiful.
Okay, so we'll get into it.
Show them the name. You can see the name. It's Barkas. It's an Arabic restaurant.
First,
I'm coming here for the first time, so I don't know how it is. I'll just check it out. Yes.
taking time. Please come so.
Can't help. It is very dimly lit. Show them the glass work they have done here. It's very, very beautiful.
So this is the dining entrance.
Yes. It's very crowded. Lots of people come here and they love it. They simply love it, and it's a very famous restaurant in Kolkata. So we'll have some good food today. So we'll enjoy that. You can see there's so many people.
लेकिन इसका थोड़ा रेडी साइज होता है, थोड़ा स्पाइसी रहता है.
Man is helping us with the menu.
Where it is in the wo.
I'll tell you.
Actually, I want to read what are the ingredients. They have a lot of things. They have shawarma, they have shorbas, they have hummus, and they have lots of different types of grills.
This is kapsa and this is mandi.
And this is mixed.
This is mixed one. This thali.
We want something for two people, like this.
Yeah. So.
This will be too much, I guess.
Yeah, this will be too much. You can order for half.
Oh, where? Oh, kapsa, where it is?
This is mandi all half these are, and this is kapsa. So here we will get half and full.
Half and full. Okay. What is the difference between kapsa and mandi? Only the spiciness.
Spiciness and a little bit of flavor. This is reddish in color. That is yellowish in color.
Which is like more people, what do they buy?
See,
Depends on.
on the weekdays we are running through with the mandis. Only in the weekends we are having
The kapsa. Okay, so what do you want to take? Kapsa or mandi? Kapsa will be little spicy and mandi will be little yellowish and less spicy.
Less spicy. I don't want very spicy.
So go for mandi.
I want less spicy.
You have chicken mutton.
What the? Halal? Everything is halal over here.
Yes? Yeah.
Yes, we confirm. What is your good name?
My name is Pallab Plus. I am the operations manager of this.
Okay. Okay, so which will be good, kapsa and chicken?
You like little smoky and less spicy, that you can go for faham. If you are little bit spicy, then you can go for barbecue.
And this chicken steak mandi?
Chicken steak mandi is also good. This is strips of chicken. The steaks will be there.
And faham. There's faham will be also.
Yeah. This is and this is barbecue.
chicken barbecue mandi, हाँ.
Okay. Along with that, some soft drinks.
No. Soft drinks, we'll see.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. Let me show you like what all they have. They have shorbas, which are like stew type of thing, and then they have shorbas.
Before you complete your
I'll tell you later. So this is the
what
mandi.
we have ordered. What's the name of this?
This is chicken barbecue mandi, and it seems very very tasty. Thank you so much. So let me tell, as you can see, I'll show them that there is fried onions, there is cashew nuts, there is barbecue chicken, and I guess 3 kinds of sauce. There is salad, lemon, and it's just lovely. It's awesome. I'm so mesmerized. Like,
Aisha, can you explain this white and this yellow and all?
it seems of like, let me taste. It is curd shorba, like it is made of curd, coriander leaves, and there is spices, cumins, and black salts, and ginger, onion, a little sour, which we can have with our mandi. This is some curry or gravy. This is a rich curry which has some cashew nuts and it has some almond and all paste, and it is very flavorful, and it is a meaty flavor. It is something of meat, I guess.
And this red one?
Let me taste. It is made of tomato puree, like fresh tomato. They have grinded and it is that puree. As you can see here, there is yellow rice. Because this is a mandi, they have given us yellow rice with this cashew nut, fried onions, and coriander leaves. Very good, something similar to biryani, but little milder. It has mild taste of cloves, cinnamon, and different kind of like what you call garam masala. They have whole spice mix. Once you will keep it in your mouth, after some time you will realize the flavors. Like you will need certain amount of seconds for the flavors to go in your system. And I have this chicken. Very juicy, very tender, very tasty it seems. Lovely chicken. They're little sweet. All the spices well marinated, well cooked. Soft. See, these are the spices.
Is it different from chicken tandoori or it's almost similar to that?
It is little dry, more dry than chicken tandoori, and it is not grilled. But the spices, it seems, is little similar. The rice.
I think you try with all the 3 different what they have given, and you just explain the difference in taste. Try this first with this, I think the third one. I think you're liking the yellow one.
It is more like a curry, this one. And this is like a curd. Lovely. Let me eat this one. Soft chicken. And I'll put some curd, the rich curry, the tomato puree. Wow. Put some onion, dash of lemon, bunch together. Extraordinary. They have some raisins also. Wow.
So how much you are going to rate this thali out of 10?
Out of 10, 9.
9.
Lovely food.
So Aisha's whole lot of kids enjoyed her dinner. She's just having a good time here. She's literally, you can look at her face.
You can mix all the three. At first I thought that mixing three,
She's loving with all the three factors, and I think what it
by mixing it, like initially I thought mixing won't be so yummy, but after doing
lemon on top of it.
yes, and some onion rings.
Full pleasure.
You can put in some carrot cucumber also. You will sleep well at night after eating this. You will sleep really well after eating this.
I'm literally enjoying. I'm feeling too hungry.
Then come here, enjoy all this. I think the rate is around 500-600. So such a big plate. It's reasonable. So if you like my channel,
People can reach
yes.
the stomach will be filled up. So much amount is there, good amount of rice is also there, meat is also there. Then try it out with the mutton is also available. Chicken we have ordered. So I think pork mutton with it also.
And it is in Malik Bazaar near Park Circus in Kolkata.
So how can
India.
like the person living in Kolkata, how they can reach here?
You can come to 7 Point, Park Circus 7 Point. And from there they can ask anybody, like anybody will guide them here. So it's on road, the menu is very easy. There are always autos running here, so then you can catch an auto and come here. And now I will close this video, have this full.